Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are you see this video. I am doing this video for my viewers, those who are from Suriname, Guyana, wherever you are, my brother. This is real. I am here to bless you. Wherever you are, my brother, contact me. Don't wait for it to be late. I am here to bless you with a huge amount of money, and you are going to be blessed with this money. How much are you seeing in the bundle? This is 10,000 US dollars. This is 10,000 US dollars. This can bless you and change your life. And I want you to know that if you are ready and serious, I will bless you with this money. This is not blood money, and this is not human being sacrifice for it. We are not using human blood or any human being. Contact me if you are serious. I will tell you how much you need to get, and you are going to bless with this money. I hope you can see it. This is the pieces. I just want to show you everything to see and believe, and know that the money that you are seeing here is real. This is 10,000 US dollars. So if I ask you to find maybe $300 or $200, and you will receive maybe 30,000 US dollars, is going to be a blessing for you. And this is huge amount of money. If you requested here, you are going to get it here. I will bless you and change your life, make you a great person in life, and you will never lack anything. My brothers and my sisters, wherever you are, distance is never a problem to this work. Wherever you are and you need this money, contact me here. I am here to bless you and change your life. You are going to get this money, and your life is going to change for you. Wherever you are, contact me. Whether you are from Guyana, you are from Suriname, this is a great chief from Ghana. Contact me and I will do the money and send it to you. I will do the money and command the money for you. How much are you seeing? How much are you seeing? With your naked eyes, you understand. This is how much. This is 5,000 US dollars. And this is 50,000, sorry. I hope you can see it, right? Each bundle contains 10,000 US dollars. And if you are serious, you are going to be blessed in life and change. Thank you very much, my viewers. Wherever you are, contact me on WhatsApp. You are going to be a great person. I promise to make your dreams come true, fulfill your promises, and change your life for you. Contact me on WhatsApp wherever you are.